Alright guys, today I'm going to do my submission for Fast Charlie's giveaway. You have to have a lock that is rekeyable and change it so the key does not work, and then pick it, fix it, and prove that it works again. So I have this, well, I guess I'll show you a little bit more. I have this honking Brinks Series 527. It's not actually the original core. The original core didn't have a key for, so I replaced it with an American core, but very similar locks. So, and this thing is pretty heavy, so see if my little vise can even hold it. So I proved that it did not work. Theoretically, now I'll open it, and then I can fix it. Oh, hands in the way. Sorry about that. I'll show you the key at the end again, but it's kind of disappointing. So when I rekeyed it, I tried to make it harder. Key pin 5 is pretty short. Don't have to do much to it, while key pin 3 is pretty long. So, oh, I'm oversetting things. So I switched those ones to hopefully have to make you work for it more instead of just opening quite so easily. I'm kind of out of the... Oh, that's... Sorry about that. That was focusing on my hand, so the lock was blurry. I'm out of practice for opening up American locks. There we go. False set. Okay. I was like, I know I want a false set. I've been at it for about a minute and a half and not seeing any progress. Okay. Deeper false set. Not 1, not 2, not 3. Okay, I reset that. Try again. Oh. Okay, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. Man, having a long one on 5 makes it easy to overset, which is exactly what I was hoping for. That's why I changed it that way. Lost track of where I'm at. Just a second. Where'd pin 5 end up? Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. What in the world? Okay, found it, but I overset it again. Alright. We'll do that nice and easy. I don't know why this is giving me so much grief. It's just an American. That is so bizarre. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Alright, yeah, for some reason that was harder than it probably should have been, but that's okay. took way too long. Alright. This is actually pretty greasy. Anyway, prove to you that the key does not work. 3 is too high and 5 is too low. Like I said, man, this is a long video. Alright, especially for just an American. All of these have serrations. All of the springs are the same and everything, so I'm not gonna. Alright guys, after a very long and painful video, quite literally I almost bled once or twice there trying to remove that circlip. Here's what we have. So, it wasn't working before, but all of the key pins have 2 serrations, driver pins 1, 2, 3, and 5 were the classic American serrated spool. 4 was just a serrated. There you go. Now if I switch 3 and 5 and I put them in the core, the key will now work. Oh, that's not even in focus. Awesome. This video is going really well. You put in the key, now everything works. Everything's flush. Alright guys, if somehow you liked what you saw, even with my fumblings and almost jabbing my thumb so hard I bleed, then subscribe. My videos I think are normally smoother than that, but that's okay. We have off videos, so please subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thank you very much for watching.